Hello everyone, this is Bruce Kim from Chinese Machinery. Today I'd like to introduce our T-Series 45 horsepower tractor to you. This tractor is designed with Yangdong 4 cylinders diesel engine. It adopts level 2 emission standards, less carbon emission and more environmental friendly. And the T-chassis is strong and powerful. Makes the tractor more suitable for working in the garden, orchard, and a small farmland. And our tractor has new Streamland engine hood. It can protect the tractor from noisy, dust, and rain when it's working in the bad situation. And at the same time, our tractor is armed with sunshade. It can protect you from the sunshine when you're working in the hot situation. And I'd like to show you that our tractor has 8+8 gear shift. It can make you have more working speed choosing when you're working in the farmland. And here you can see that our tractor has 6 dashboard. It can make you know more about the tractor itself when you're working in the farmland. So if you are willing to place an order on our factory, I believe that it can bring you with lasting satisfaction.